Hi, everybody. It's Brian from NS Live TV, Nova Scotia's online community TV channel. And welcome to Event Update, episode number 16. Of course, this is the Halloween edition. So, of course, being Halloween evening, just be careful. There are lots of trick-or-treaters out there on the roads, people having fun, dressed in costumes. Well, not unlike this one with some bananas. Yeah, this comes with 2 bananas. So they're, yeah. Yeah, just have fun. I love Halloween. I love dressing up and being something I'm not or someone I'm not. A lot of people do. So whatever you do on Halloween, just have fun and be safe. All right, well let's get into it because there's a lot of events happening this week, and we're entering into the first week in November. So of course it's becoming a bit of a time for seasonal events, and we'll bring up our Facebook event page where we share a lot of these events, so you can find them in one resource for events in Nova Scotia. That's our goal. That's what we're trying to help you out with, so you can find things you might want to go to. There we go. There's our Facebook event page. And of course, the first one, lots of people know about this first one. It's a bit of a family tradition for the holidays. I'm going to bring up their page. There we go. Halifax Christmas at the Forum. Now that's tomorrow, November 1st, from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., but it also runs all weekend, so it's the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd at the Halifax Forum, of course. It says that right in the name. Yeah, it's basically a great, huge craft show, and it's got a great reputation for presenting the largest, most diverse selection of quality crafts in the region. So check that out. Halifax at the Forum. I love it myself. It's a great holiday event. It kind of kicks off the season. You know, when you're going to Christmas at the Forum, it's kicking off the season. But all right, so that's the first one I found for you. The next one's called Christmas at the Grain. I'm going to bring that one up for you. There's their page. So this runs 2 days, November 1st and November 2nd. That's tomorrow and Saturday at the Tatamagouche Grain Elevator. I can say that. 44 Creamery Road in Tatamagouche. And there's not a lot of details here, but it's a great collection of artists and vendors, great food, music, great way to start off the holiday season. So there you go. Tatamagouche Grain Elevator. That sounds, I haven't been there. I have to admit, I haven't been to the grain elevator. I'm going to have to go check this out and see what this is all about. I know they've got a train station in there. I've been to that. Tatamagouche is a great little spot if you can get up there and check that all out. All right, back to our event page. The Sackville Sports Stadium open house. Well, that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to bring that up. Somewhere here. Here it comes. Loading. Basically, yeah, you can just go and see what the Sackville Sports Stadium is all about. Here's some more information. You can join us for a personal one-on-one tour of the sports stadium Saturday, November 2nd between 9 and 1 p.m. There you go. So if you're interested in that, go check it out. And the Christmas craft show at Cole Harbour Place. There we go. There's that one. That's November 2nd at 10 a.m. To November 3rd. So it's Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Of course, being held at Cole Harbour Place in Dartmouth. And bring up their details. It's, of course, this craft show. And lots of information here about all the people that you can see there. I say people, but I mean vendors. These are all the vendors you can come out and see. And lots of them are put links in here so you can find out more information about what they do. Great idea. That's what I like about the integration you can have with Facebook. You can integrate somebody's webpage or Facebook site right into another event like this. This is great. And that's hosted by My Crafty Friends. And you can see if I put my mouse over their link there, pop, there they are. My Crafty Friends. All right, moving on. New to you clothing swap and more. Now, Here's that page. Thought this was kind of interesting. It says, join us for a semi-annual clothing swap, and the best part is it's free. There's that magical word we all like, free. Simply ask to share this event. They want you to help share the event like I'm doing right here. I've shared it on our NS Live page, and you can share it to your page too. And donations are happily accepted for the swap. And there's more information here. Thank you for in advance. You're welcome. You're welcome in advance. And it's held at the school gym. Where is it held? I mean, I didn't see that. Lake and Shore Community Recreation Society. Boom. And that'll give you the location right there in Porter's Lake. So there again, there's that integration. I just put my mouse over there and I can see more details. Yeah, so clothing swap. There. Maybe you can swap some Halloween costumes too. Maybe I'll take my monkey suit. We'll see. Nah, I like my monkey suit. I'm going to keep it. Here we are. Oh, get that one there. Light Up the Lake, Dartmouth. Hosted by Craig's Cause Pancreatic Cancer Society. That's Saturday from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. at Lake Bannock. And it's their 6th annual Light Up the Lake in Dartmouth. It's an annual 5K walk/run. Starts at the Micmac Aquatic Club and is an out and back route along the beautiful Lake Bannock. Oh, that sounds lovely. Ooh, headlamps, hot chocolate, medals for all. Yeah, so a great time to get out and do a little walking and light up the lake in Dartmouth for a great cause, by the way. All right. CRAVE, a food and drink experience. Well, we all like good food and drink. We are Nova Scotians after all. And that's hosted by the Canadian Progress Club in Halifax at Pier 21 on Saturday from 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. So that goes into the evening. And here's a little bit of details about it. Join us for a special night of food and drink featuring some of the region's top restaurants and beverage brands. Fundraising will be in support of the club's core charities, Kings Meadows Residence Society, the Club Inclusion, Special Olympics Nova Scotia, and the IWK Foundation. So lots of great causes that this will contribute to. If you go and check it out, there is information about getting your tickets right here. Find tickets. See that? There you go. There's that integration again. Get your tickets right from Facebook. All in one spot. Okay, so Fiddler on the Roof. There, click there and bring that up. So this is a great thing. This is put on by the St. Joseph's Stage Profits. And this year, a little different. It's going to be held at the Spatz Theatre in Halifax here. I was actually part of the St. Joseph's Stage Profits one year and helped them put on a presentation. So I know they're a great organization. They do an amazing show. You will not regret going to this. It's just a tremendous production. And I can't say enough about having worked with them in the past. So you should check this out for yourself. Get down there and now let's see, they must have tickets here. There it is again. See, right there. Find your tickets so you can go get them right here in the Spatz Theatre. That's a wonderful location too. There you go, Fiddler on the Roof. Nothing to kick off the holiday season like a good bit of live entertainment. Creative NS Awards Gala 2019. Hosted by Heist and Arts Nova Scotia. That's Saturday at 7:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. at the Halifax Central Library, Paul O'Regan Hall. This is something that caught my attention because it's something I would like to live stream. I think, wouldn't it be amazing if we could actually bring this to you as a community TV production live? I think that would be amazing. Everybody who's involved in it and gets an award or is even nominated for an award will get lots of great promotion. And that's bringing Nova Scotia to the world through our community TV channel. So here's all the details. There's lots of details, far too much for me to go through here, but you can do that yourself. Like I said, just find our Facebook event page and you can find this event and get all the details for yourself. So there you go. Make it ours. It says it right there. Got to be right. Here we go. and the Borders Lake Flea Market. Bring that one up. Yeah, Borders Lake Flea Market, hosted by Artsy Fartsy and Borders Lake Community Center, and it's at the Borders Lake Community Center. And that is, what day is that? November 3rd. That's Sunday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. As you can see, all the details are here. I'm just reading what I see here on this Facebook event page, and I recommend that you, if you're having an event, to make a Facebook event page. It's free, and it's very easy for other people to share it and spread the word. So something to consider if you're having an event, and it's something I can put on this show because it's right there. There you go. Talking about vendor tables. This is a free event, so there's no admission. Come on in and enjoy the flea market in Borders Lake on Sunday. And the last one for this week is the Holocaust Education Week. Let me bring that one up here. There's a little bit to talk about on that one. Yeah, Holocaust Education Week survivor testimony. Pinchas Gutter, I believe is how you say that. If I've said it wrong, I apologize. I'm doing my best. A Sunday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. at the Canadian Museum of Immigration, of course, on Marginal Road in Halifax, and there you can get your tickets. Once again, it's integrated right here on the Facebook event page for Eventbrite. That's a handy resource. If you've ever had an event and used Eventbrite to integrate this way, it's wonderful. It kind of tells you how many people are coming too, so you can really track ticket sales and things like that. So really great integration there. Yeah, this talks about this fellow's life as he was deported from Warsaw. And really, I think it would be quite an eye-opener and quite an educational session to listen to see what this fellow has to say. So there you go, November 3rd. Down at the Maritime, Canadian Museum of Immigration. That's it. Right. And then back to our Facebook event page. And of course, you see more, but we'll save that for next week's show. So there you have it. Lots of things happening, and not including tonight, which is underway, Halloween. This is actually Halloween. Should I go out trick-or-treating? I don't know. I could. What do you think? There's my monkey. No, I'll let that for the kids. I'll stay here and hand out candy if they come to the door. So if you hear the doorbell ring, could be trick-or-treaters. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this show, and I hope you got lots of great ideas for things to attend this week. If you have an event that you would like to promote, we're the ones you can call, because we promote everything right online with social media and social media marketing. And it's all through our website. You can share it, like it, whatever you want. You can put it on your website too, a promotional piece on your event. So it's the way of the future. Community TV online. All right. So, well, I guess that's it. This is Brian from NS Live TV saying we hope to see you at the next event, because if we do, we'll post it down here on this page over there. You see it right? Yeah, we'll put it there. All right. Have a good night. Be safe and enjoy trick-or-treating.